Hello everyone. So there's another cookbook, keto cookbook. Got it for my birthday, and I've been wanting a low carb cake recipe, so I thought I'd give this simple sponge cake a try. I would have thought of putting ricotta in it. There's the nutrition if anybody wants it. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna need. 3 eggs. Those out of the shell. Come on. There they go. And butter melted. Calls for almond flour, but I'm using the mixed nut flour I still have. Sweetener, I put the name at the bottom there. I'm not going to try and say it. And ricotta cheese that, to me, looks like a vanilla ice cream. Also baking powder. I thought it should be more than that, but quite a bit of salt, actually. Yeah, I actually filmed doing this twice and got it wrong both times. We're saying you take the ricotta and the sweetener. It says to whisk them together. This was a lot easier than I expected it to be. Except the ricotta does stick in the whisk. Okay. That's looking pretty good, actually. Back and forth. Now I have to add the eggs one at a time. So one, thoroughly incorporate it. Oh, look how much color that one yolk added. Next egg. Yep. Incorporate that one. Oh, it's even yellow now. It's really starting to look like a white cake batter. Last egg. With the biggest yolk. And even more yellow. Really looks like a cake batter, doesn't it? Now for the best part. Just plop everything else into the bowl. So the butter. And the nut flour. And the baking powder. And the salt always wants to stick in these little bowls of mine. And mix it together. Still seems like there should have been a little more baking powder. And it's thickening up nicely. Well, as it says. Always amazes me how nut flour can thicken things. It's also surprised there's no flavoring in it. Usually there's vanilla or something. Taking a couple. Now I'm gonna use a rubber spatula to make sure I got it all mixed together. I think in a couple weeks I'm going to see if I can make this into a chocolate version just by adding some cocoa powder. Now I need the calls for a 9x9 pan, but I only have this 8x8. And some parchment paper that I put slits in to try and help. Well, that was a mistake. It leaked through. And now I just put this in. It really thickened up while I was getting this pan. It really does look like a cake batter now. Okay. Get it all. Or best I can, I guess. I'll get it all. Stuff really likes to stick to the spatula too. This is a silicone spatula. It's not supposed to stick to it. Have anything stick to it. And now I'm just going to use a spatula to even it out and try and even out and get it in the pan. Okay, come over here. Consistency kind of reminds me of melted ice cream. Or softened ice cream. I guess melted would be liquid, wouldn't it? Okay, now I'll just jiggle it and slam it. Alright. Into the oven. And it bakes for 40 minutes and says after the first 30 to check it every 5 minutes, make sure it doesn't burn. It didn't. Now it needs to cool completely so I can slice it into 6 slices. Okay, yep. Here's a slice of it. I whipped up a little of the ricotta to put on top. Thanks for watching. Hello.